So what we bring out here is a gradual system for you to understand the maths, which is the basic underlying principle, as well as Excel, which is an easy to understand software, which all of you are doing in school now.
Yes.
And then to move to Python, which is a coding language which you are not doing in school now.
Yeah.
Right? Hi children.
Hello.
So what do you want to do in your careers?
I want to be an author. Musician.
Wow. And how do you hear the music you like?
Amazon Music.
On Amazon Music.
I don't
Wow.
have Spotify.
You don't have Spotify. Do you know how Amazon Music suggests its playlist to you?
No.
But do you like it? What generally comes up in the suggestion box? Mostly. Okay. So the team, all these apps that you have around, like Amazon Music, YouTube, Amazon to play online gaming, all of this, these apps constantly create data. They they capture whatever inputs you're giving. They capture the messages that you put in. All this is data. And then there is a team. Yeah. So there is a team called the data science team. This team works on the data and helps design the recommendation engines.
Do you make video games?
Even for video games. Yes, everything digital. What you can do next? What would you like next? All the data that comes in is seen by this data science team, which helps to design the algorithms and recommendation engines, which help us view certain playlists, view certain products. And how do they do this? They look at your past history. How have you behaved on the app? And they also look at what other people like you, your age, they look at, and they finally come up with an algorithm which shows you what things you may like. Yes? Okay. So do you think you want to be part of such a team? Do you want to work in this field?
Yes. It's pretty interesting.
Very nice. Yes, you all are so good with apps, you are so tech savvy. This is a very natural progression for you. It's a natural area of work for you. And the great part is that many jobs are opening up in this area of data science, analytics, machine learning, robotic brains, AI, etc. We are going to look at maths and the application of maths. So the software is just how to do the maths. The first thing is to understand the concept that you will do with the software. Like when you're driving a car on your computer, right? So what does it help you do?
It helps you drive a car in actual life.
Yes, it helps you drive the car in actual life because it simulates or it gives you something similar to that. Right? So finally, what is driving all this type of data science? It is statistics, which is implemented through these languages, through the softwares. So what we bring out here is a gradual system for you to understand the maths, which is the basic underlying principle, as well as Excel, which is an easy to understand software, which all of you are doing in school now.
Yes.
And then to move to Python, which is a coding language which you are not doing in school now.
Yeah.
Right? And at the end of this, when you get out of this course, by the time you reach your 12th class and your college, you are ready to take on these very new careers. And let me assure you that even all the old industries like medical, defense, manufacturing, they are all now moving into the Internet of Things. They're all, their data is sitting on the cloud. There's a lot of cloud computing and data science in all these conventional industries also. Interested in taking this as a career?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Yeah? If you're interested in data science and are looking for a course, do join in, like and share the Data Science for Juniors course with Pexipix.